G'day guys, this is Carl at All Brands Caravan Centre. Today what we're doing is we're replacing windows. In this current van, what we've done is we're in the process of replacing all these windows. I've currently done 4 of these windows already. I'm up these last one at the moment, and the reason that we're replacing these windows is because the customer's complaining that these windows are all leaking. So what we're doing is we've just replaced them, and at the moment I'm just cleaning this existing silicone up that I've just ripped the window out of. And what I'll do is once I've cleaned that, I'll wipe it down with Metho. I'll wipe this window over here, which is the one that I'm going to install, down with Metho, and then I'll goop it up, install it. I'll get someone on the outside holding it up, and I'll go on the inside and tighten it up. So if you have any concerns about windows leaking, just put them in the comments below, or give us a call. Thanks.